gentlemen. So we tend to extend a holistic assurance, fairness assurance to the entire process of these awards. And what it really means is that the whole process of coming up to the winner selection has been comprehensive, has been inclusive, and hence it is very holistic. And what we want to share with you right now is our presentation. We have used an internationally well-recognized methodology called Contest and Awards Process Assurance. And as I said, the whole process is holistic and comprehensive. The way in which we have ensured that it is holistic and comprehensive, can you just, is by doing it 360 degrees, that the whole selection process is fair, but it starts with fair selection criteria being laid out, fair selection process being established, and fair selection results being achieved. So what it means is that it really goes out into the detailed aspects of functioning of a company to make sure that the process is not affected by any prejudices, and therefore it is scientific and methodical. Moving further, as I said, from the criteria standpoint of view, we have ensured that the criteria set is holistic, is inclusive, is comprehensive, and not unfair. We have ensured that the whole process that we have followed is also fair, and both of these then lead to fair selection results being achieved out of it. And just moving further again, there are 6 core criteria into the selection process. The first one doesn't need any explanation: the financial strength, prudence, and performance. What is your financial strength? How much prudent are you? And what is your performance looking like? What is your size and scale? How effective are your products into the marketplace? How do you address uniquely and in your own manner particular needs of different types of consumers, the financial consumers into the marketplace? How much operationally efficient are you? And in today's age of governance and risk management, how effectively are you governed? And how effective is your risk management process? What is your approach towards consumer satisfaction, customer satisfaction, and what kind of a process do you have to make sure that your end consumer is satisfied, your customers are satisfied, and there is zero tolerance for regulatory non-compliance. So if there is any non-compliance that we have found out, then that particular entity has got disqualified from the process. So these are the 6 core, very comprehensive and holistic criteria that we have ensured into the process. Alongside that, there are core considerations of holistic evaluation, not only quantitative but also qualitative considerations. A lot of these are qualitative considerations. Very independent sort of verification, and that's what is our role and objective is. And how focused are you from customer point of view? So these are the core considerations. Going a little bit into more details of the entire workflow of these awards. At first, we had developed the criteria, which is fair selection criteria. Jury members, we had a meeting with the jury members and they've approved the criteria as being fair and holistic and comprehensive. Then we had called for, the Money Today had called for nominations and through applications. Also, for certain categories, the nominations were through public discovery process, like banks. Then a very independent evaluation and scoring was done by us, and we presented to the jury our scorecard. So jury then independently evaluated and had an oversight into our selection process, and finally the winner selection was arrived at. And today we are here at the ceremony. After the ceremony, we seek to also do gratification process. So this is how the whole scientific approach has been ensured into the process. Thank you.